Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best bread knives this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Victorinox is a brand you can trust, who stand firmly behind the workmanship that goes into all their products by offering a lifetime warranty. Although this particular Fiber Ox Pro knife is marketed as a bread knife, it is in fact far more versatile than that. Which is why it gets our best choice spot in today's best bread knife review. Aside from bread, which it effortlessly excels at slicing, it's also fantastic for leveling cakes, cutting sandwiches and slicing a range of fruit and vegetables too. If you were to only invest in one serrated knife, then this 10-inch Fiber Ox Pro curved bread knife would undeniably be the way to go. That serrated edge allows the handler to easily slice through everything from a crusty load to a delicate tomato. The curved design of the blade lends itself to an effortless and effective rocking motion that gives you plenty of clearance. It's been thoughtfully designed to be optimally weighted, and while it is lightweight, it is certainly high quality, constructed from European steel that reduces hand fatigue. We should also mention the Fiber Ox Pro handle too, which is a patented, ergonomic grip design, comfortable to operate and non-slip too. It perfectly fits into the palm to deliver a secure and natural grip as though the knife were an extension of your own hand. Next up we have a new contender in the category of best serrated bread knife, in the superior shape of this one-piece high-carbon Japanese steel knife from Mercer. The Millenia cutlery bread knife is forged from non-staining, rust-resistant steel that is guaranteed not to discolor or corrode. It's precise, strong and durable and requires minimum maintenance. Thanks to its razor-sharp serrated edge, cutting as well as chopping is simply a breeze. It's not difficult to see why this won the Cook's Illustrated Award for Best Serrated Knife, and we think it will fast become a favorite in your kitchen too. Besides the high performance of the blade, this long bread knife also features an ergonomic handle that is made from santoprene, which delivers comfort, and polypropylene for durability. There are also textured fingers points running along the side of the handle, which provides a good firm, slip-resistant grip. In case you were also wondering, this Mercer Culinary Millenia bread knife is also NSF certified, which means it's been rigorously tested and approved to the very highest of standards, and meets up to their exacting requirements when it comes to quality, safety as well as performance. With a lifetime warranty also included from the manufacturer, you'll be happily slicing bread for many years to come. Offering up something that is a little more fun next, we have an eye-catching monochromatic colored knife from the Komachi Chi2 series. While the colors look fun and enticing, bringing a sense of drama and modernity to your kitchen, they also serve a useful purpose too in being color-coded, so that you can instantly recognize and pick the right Komachi knife for the job. This bread knife is actually more of a multi-purpose cutting tool and is an 8-inch reverse scalloped bread knife, which comes with a unique blade design ensuring it delivers a faultless and effortless cutting action. Constructed from high-carb quality stainless steel, it won't dull over time and will retain that super sharp edge. That color-popping finish is thanks to FDA-approved resin that is bonded with the quality stainless steel to give this knife its unique edge. It's also totally non-stick and corrosion coating protected, so is quick and easy to both clean and maintain. With a lightweight and ergonomically designed handle, it nicely and comfortably fits in hand for a contoured hold and a fatigue-free grip. Sharp in both its looks, performance and functionality, this pure Komachi Chi2 series bread knife is sure to make an attention-grabbing addition to your culinary arsenal, but also makes a superb gift for foodies in your life. Next up we have an extra long length style professional bread knife from Cutler, who are well renowned for manufacturing some of the smartest and finest cutlery on the planet, used and loved by professionals and novices alike. Expertly crafted, this 14 inches bread knife fuses performance with versatility and a comfortable, ergonomic design. With a serrated edge, it slices from bread like a hot knife through butter and makes effortless work on cakes and pastries too. That's thanks to its high-carbon stainless steel construction, which is perfectly balanced with a weighted handle to deliver optimum control and precision. With an ultra-sharp wavy toothed edge, you can tackle the crustiest of artisan breads to the softest of floury baps, bagels and all other kinds of culinary and confectionery delights. It's so sharp and sensitive that it can also be used to slice evenly through watermelon and pineapple or tomatoes too with complete ease. The Cutler really is a multi-purpose kitchen utensil that will meet pretty much all of your kitchen demands. This kitchen knife can be easily maintained and cleaned by simply washing by hand with soap and warm water, ensuring that you thoroughly towel dry your knife before putting it away. Your flexible Cutler professional bread knife is also corrosion and stain resistant and should never need to be resharpened as long as you care for it correctly. We have our premium pick up next, which really, when you consider how exceptional this serrated bread knife actually is reasonably budget friendly after all. In the business of making knives since 1955, Japanese brand Tojiro really does make sensational blades that combine superior materials and quality with what are keen prices compared to their competitors. It's strong, sharp, durable and comfortable to handle. It also provides plenty of prerequisite knuckle clearance to deliver a safe and fatigue-free slicing action. Let's talk a little bit further about the construction of this knife. Featuring extra hard forged molybdenum, vanadium stainless steel, it has outstanding levels of stain and corrosion resistance and won't ever fracture. We'd go as far as to say that it delivers a scalpel-like sharpness, so operate with care. While the serrations will last for the lifetime of the knife, you will need to occasionally use a knife sharpener on your Tojori bread slicer to ensure it is maintained in pristine condition. Even the handle is elegant, constructed from black packerwood with an ergonomic, comfort grip that feels natural to hold. There's just the optimum balance point between where the handle and the blade meet, and with 3 stainless steel rivets attaching to the full tang, it's a durable and dependable bread knife that should last you for life.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.